What is the difference between beside and besides? Sometimes people mix up beside and besides. We begin with two examples. They are sitting beside each other. Besides Swati, who has attended the class. Let's first see what is beside. In terms of grammar, besides is a preposition. As is the case with every preposition, it tells you the position of something or someone in related to something or someone. Beside means next to it. It also means nearby. The sentence, they are sitting beside each other, can also be written as they are sitting next to each other, or it can also be written as they are sitting close to each other. Another sentence using beside, there is a table beside the bed. Here is another sentence using beside, there is a poplar tree near the apple tree in our orchard. Now, how do we use besides? Besides means in addition to or moreover. It is also a preposition, but it is also a linking adverb. It allows you to add some extra information to your argument. Here is an example of besides. I'm not feeling like going for a walk today. And besides, it's quite cold and cloudy outside. This could have also been written in the following manner. I'm not feeling like going for a walk today. And moreover, it's quite cold and cloudy outside. Here is an example to explain the use of besides for the same purpose. Besides the fact that smoking makes you look stupid, it is harmful to your health. Although many grammar experts would say that since besides may be used as a conjunction, you shouldn't use it in the beginning, but it depends on how you use it. Since besides can also be used as in addition to, you can use it in a sentence in this manner. Besides philosophy, which other subjects have you taken this semester? Another besides example. What other liquids are you taking besides water? Hence, beside means near to something or next to something, and besides means in addition to and moreover. You may also have come across an expression like that's beside the point. First, many people say that's besides the point, which is wrong. It is that's beside the point. What does the expression that's beside the point mean? Beside the point means irrelevant, something that is not important. Here is how it is used. You came to school early, that's beside the point. The fact is that you didn't come to the class. Another example. You didn't like her pronunciation, but that's beside the point. Do subscribe to my channel if you like the video or press the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos.